Hi, good morning all. Um, Yesterday what we did, okay? Okay, yesterday we created this right formula variable with the differences. If you double click on this difference, I see here changed on minus this one created on. Okay, now I can able to see these two formula variables here. Okay, under the formula variables created on changed on. So we missed one simple option. Okay, after that it was working. Here, calculate before non-cumulative exception aggregation. After that, it was working for us. Okay, let me execute report and I will show you. What is the report name here? Okay, this one only, right? This is the report name. Formula variable is the replacement path. And go here. And I already executed. Let me go back. This one, right? This one. See, now you can see getting differences. Okay, this is created and this is changed on. So you can see the difference between two dates. Here you can see 0, 0 because of there is no difference. Here you can see 1 day. So like this you can calculate a difference between two dates based on created and changed and. So for this what we did for our remembering, okay. So for this what we did, go to sheet definition and whatever we have, okay, here created and changed on. Whatever we have created and changed on, based on these two. Two are like the characteristics, not key figure. So that is the reason we have to create two formula variables. Two formula variables. How you will create formula variables? And go to here and right click. You can create it. Okay. What is our option? Here we have a right changed on, and this is created. Right click and you can create the variable. Okay, I already created here this one. Okay, now you can see here. General, this is created on formula variable and replacement path. This is not input ready query. This is optional. If you want, you can keep it as well. Okay, just like this, you will get the difference. So finally, we need to keep as a date. So we need to getting difference between two dates, right? So we have to keep dimension is date. This is also same thing. This is also same thing. We need to keep it for two. So we created one formula variable for created and another variable for changed and. So we are getting the difference like this. This is the formula simple. So in this way, so this is very important. That is the reason I'm telling it. Okay, yesterday we did only small mistake. That is the reason we are not getting. So now you can see all the differences. Almost all are zeros, same dates. Only three, only two values are happening. We are getting it. See, 27, 28, 27, 8 like this. Okay. This is how we will create the formula variable. And this is, let me tell you. Now we just created formula variable, right? Formula variable with the replacement path. Replacement path. Okay. So now one more requirement. So we'll create formula variable. They're asking you top N customer report. Top N customer report. This is the requirement. Top N customer report. So what you will do, you will enter one number. Might be five number. So you will have to get top one, top two, top three. Okay, top four. Top four who done Very good sales with you. 5. So like this it has to come. Okay. Okay. Whoever done very good delivery quality for you. Okay. You have to get like no top 10 customer report. This is top 5. Okay. If you give top 10, so it has to display only you are giving enter 10 or 5 or 3 like that. Okay. Like this you have to get the report. Top 6. Top 7. Okay, top 8. So like this you will get it for top 10 customer rate. If you get like this requirement, you need to create the formula variable, formula variable with the manual input default value, manual input default value. How many types of variables? Char variable, cal value variable, cal variable, and default value, manual input default value. This is manual input default. This is processing type. Okay, this is first one. So we already seen it. Characteristic value variable last type. Okay, now formula variable. Okay, next text variable. Text variable replacement path. That we need to see it. Okay, replacement path, replacement path. Okay, 3, formula variable, formula variable. Okay, here customer exit, customer exit. Okay, or hierarchy, hierarchy variable, hierarchy variable, SAP exit. Okay, see here, hierarchy node variable. So it's very important authorization. Okay, now till now we saw it like no characteristic value variable. Okay, manual input default value we have seen it. And also if you want to create characteristic value variable with replacement customer exit also we can do that. And text variable with manual input you can do it or else replacement we can do it and customer exit also you can do it. Okay, we already done formula variable with the replacement path. Now we are going to do formula variable with the manual input. Okay. So whenever you are creating variable, processing type should be mandatory. Okay. If you are not going to give processing type, we cannot able to define it variable. Okay. Both are interdependent. Formula variable and manual input default value we are going to create now. Okay. For this requirement, top end customer report. How you will do it? Okay. We'll see here. Okay, this is top end customer report by using formula. So here I already created here on top of same complete product. Go here, see nothing will be there. Same delivery quantity. Here we having a okay. Let me give customer number. Okay, just save it. Okay, here you can go to conditions. Conditions. I define one condition. Okay, let's say create new one. You will understand. Okay, what is the formula here? I given it Z sold to F. Okay, go here. I will create it now. Okay, I will get top end customer report. Right click, create new base query. Okay, we'll give name ZCP underscore del complete product name and 10. I will give like that. Or top end customer report. Top end customer report. Like this we can give. Whatever you give number by manually, based on your number, it will fetch the data. Okay, in the sheet definition, I will go and go to info product always. And okay, here I will drag and drop delivery item, delivery number. Goods movement status, company code. Okay, I will. This is supply. Okay, vendor. Where is customer? Sold to party is the customer. Okay, sold to party is customer. Now, delivery quantity where it is, this is the key figure. Okay, okay, and now you can drag and drop calendar month also, calendar month, and if you have country also, you can do it. Okay, and industry also. At one moment, I am going to change everything. Save. I selected control all and I did for never for all. Okay, at one moment. Okay, now I will execute it. So now this is simple query. I didn't create anything, right? I didn't create any formula variable under. So let's see before creating and after creating what is the difference. Okay, and this is one. So nothing will be there. So here sold to party and delivery quantity, initially it is showing. So if you don't want to see sold to party two times, okay, right click, go to properties. Go to properties. Here you can see only key and text, right? I'll keep only key and okay. Now you can see only sold to party. So I don't want to see sold to party. I want to see customer. So how you will do it? Sometimes in real time you will get like this requirement also. Here you need to go here, right side, and you can change. Sometimes small changes will come. Okay, save it. Now just refresh your report. Okay, just refresh. You will come to know. Okay. See, the description has been changed for our dimension. See, our dimension is changed it. So I didn't change. Why it is coming two times again? So I didn't change in the front end level here. If I change here only key, then it will not change it. Okay. You can change in front end or else you can change in the Bex query as well. So let me refresh. Now you never get two times. After refresh also you never get because previously we changed year only. So if you refresh that option will go. Now you can see only one time. So our requirement is I enter only top end customer and 5 or 3 or 10 only those top customers has to come. Okay, now we'll see how to create a variable formula variable. Let me go here conditions. We need to create the conditions. If you want to build up top end customer report, we need to go conditions. Here only we have top end customers. So what is the use of conditions? Okay, by using conditions, okay, this is very important. Conditions, okay. Every interview they will ask you. So by using conditions, we can control the key figure. By using conditions, we can control the key figure. We can control the key figure. Okay. And you can see here how you will control it. Right click here and go to new condition. And now it is asking like no few details. See here. What are the details? Add. So are you going to add anything? Okay, here. Are you going to give number or are you going to give formula variable? See here, this value. If you give 5, okay, every time this query it will give 5. Okay. Okay. If you give variable, so based on your condition, based on your, here we have a formula variable. I already created. Okay. So if you select this one, what is the operator here? So we need to select top n. So if you don't select top n, so for example, I give 5. Okay. 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 I give an okay. So now save it. What will happen if I refresh? If I refresh, so it is coming only 5. It is coming only 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. It is coming only 5. Okay. Not like that. We want to see, okay, every time it will come 5 only. So we don't like that. Okay, select this one, go to change, not this one, change. Here I am going to give variable, give your variable, okay. Okay, so now we selected operator is top n. Okay, in the interview also you have to tell them, for achieve this top n customer report, we need to select operator top n. Save and refresh it. So now refresh, it will ask you input. Okay, now it is asking. So I will give only 10. Okay, now top 10 customers will come. Okay, top 10 customers will come. If we refresh, if I will give 15, okay, whoever done business with you, 15 customers list will come. Let me refresh again. Very slow. See, now I will give 15. Now you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. This is also included hash value as well. Okay. So like this, you will get the top 10, top 5, top 3, top 1 also you can get it. Even if you just refresh and you can give any number, just 2 or 1 also it will come. Just 3, just give 3. You will get the top 3 customer list. See, 105250 hash value. Okay, this is how it will work. Okay, top 10 customer report. If you have any doubt, just ask me. Okay, I define formula variable for this. Very simple only. Go here. How I defined it. The formula name, this one, right? Double click. On top of sold to put I created here. This is the formula variable technical name. I given formula variable. Formula variable, manual input, default value. I selected optional and input ready query. Currency conversions, default values. See, nothing. Currency conversions, dimension number only. Okay. So like this, I defined it. In the conditions, we just used here. So variable. So you are getting, based on your input, you are getting the number. Okay. Just try it, okay? Practice yourself, you will get it. So if you don't give any number, if you don't give any number, also it will take it. This is not a mandatory. Click OK, it will get all list. Even if you don't give also star, it will come. Okay. It will not throw error because we define this as a optional. See here, this is optional, general. If you go to here, optional. If you keep mandatory with initial, then it will not come. Okay, like this. Any doubt? So we created conditions like this. Okay, if you want to know, okay, one more conditions I will create. That is for bottom. If you want to define this as a bottom, see, multiple operators are there here. You can click this here, compare operator. You can see equal, not equal, less than, greater than, less than, greater than, between. Okay, if you can use any operator as well. Top percentage, bottom and bottom. Okay, like this you can give it. For example, greater than 1000, greater than 1000. Okay, greater than 1000. So what I will do? Okay, click OK and save it. So if you give any number, if you give any number, refresh, that will make it will display you greater than that number. For example, I will give 2000. So it will display only more than 2000 delivery quantities only in the report level. See, like this. So delivery quantity, it will have more than 2000, but it will have different quantities. That is the way it is showing like no star. Okay. More than 2000 delivery quantity having, but it is displaying star only. If you want to see that also, you can drag and drop unit as well. Do we have unit? Let me try that one. Okay, I will give 10. Okay, greater than 10 it will display. So now you can see here, greater than 10 it will display. Okay, if I refresh and if we give 2000, then it will display only 2000, greater than 2000 values. Wherever delivery quantity more than 2000, it will display only. See here, only 3024, 4500 only it is displaying. If we give 1000, so based upon your requirement, you can see like this also. 1000 also. 1000 also. See, exactly it is coming like 1010 also came. So we here we have you just understand it like no here we having units are different it's so it is not displaying. If you drag and drop item and some items like no one sales order having different items and different quantities. So that is the reason it is showing like no star. When I drag and drop sales unit, now it is displaying each different units. Okay. So like this you can use your formula variable. Okay. And if you want to do any changes and you can try, so you have to do practice with other operators as well. Now I shown you top n customers greater than and equal to also you can do it. Greater than, greater, equal, okay. Between also you can do it. Not between. So like this, based upon your requirement, you can select it. For example, between. Specify a value. Okay. I'm not going to specify any value. Okay. Here we need to select a. Okay. This only will select a same. But fourth, I am giving same variable and save it. Let me try. But in real time, I never created like this. Okay. Just trying. Okay. So now it is asking only one. I think we need to create two formula variables. This is wrong only. Okay. I think some message came. Not defined correctly. Okay. We'll see. So like this you can perform anything. Okay? You need to create formula variable with any other processing type. You can try it. Okay? And if you have any doubt, just ask me. And I'm going to other variable. Conditions. Now you saw that conditions as well. While we are creating variable itself, we came to know conditions. So by using condition, we can control the key figure. And RKF, CKF also we cannot control key figure. By using only conditions, we can control the key figure based on the operators. Top n, bottom n, greater than, less than, greater than, equal to, less than, equal to. That means we are controlling the key figure. Based on your operator, you are controlling the key figure. For RKF, CKF, we are restricting the key figure. We are not controlling it. Okay, just remember this point. Okay, let me try with other option, exceptions. Okay, like go here, create backstory, exceptions, finish. So yesterday one of our student, okay, created CP, complete provider in the client place. He is working in client place. They given the requirement and they given two ADSOs and he just added in the complete provider. He did join based on command field and he can able to see the data. Okay, do you know right how to create complete provider? So all we know all these things, but you need to do it, okay, quickly. That guy created, okay. Okay, go to info provider. I'm making this as a company code, and sold to party. And where is the delivery quantity? Okay, okay, and going to exceptions, where you will get option exceptions here was. So by using exceptions, what you will do? Okay, okay, here by using conditions, we can control the key figure with the help of different operators. With the help of different operators. So in the interview also you have to say like this only, okay? Operators are many, like greater than, less than, greater than equal to, sorry, greater greater than equal to, less than equal to, okay, between, okay, bottom, top end. You can try with all these options. No one will not explain you every each and every option. Okay, bottom end, okay, top end. So like this, we having many options. You just try it. Okay, equal, not equal. So many options are there. Okay, you just try it. Okay, all these options. Then you will understand. Okay, then exceptions. Okay, by using exceptions, we can highlight the colors in the report level. In the report level. But SAP recommending that do not use more. Recommending that do not use more due to it will degrade the performance. It will degrade the performance. Okay. So we are highlighting the We are highlighting the, okay, exceptions. So we are highlighting the key figures in the color. Okay, we are highlighting the in the color report level. So whatever you can see these results, it will display in the color. Okay. Now we'll go here how you will create exceptions. Here right click and create new exceptions. It's very important. Okay. They will ask you conditions and exceptions in the report level. Okay. Here you need to click on addition, add. Okay. So here also we having operators. See here, if it is more than 2000, greater than equal, I'm using it. This is good. Good means it will show in the report level. It will show alert level. You can see good one, good two, good three. These are all it will display in the green color in the report level. Critical means it will display in the yellow color in the report level. Bad means it will display in the red color in the report level. So greater than equal to, that means more than 2000 delivery quantity, whoever delivered quantity more than 2000, then it will display the value in the report level like green color. Okay. Now it is. Now here you can see less than or equal to. Where is less than or equal to? Less than equal to. Less than equal. Okay, less than equal 1000. It's very bad. Okay, it's very bad. I'm selecting bad 3. Okay, so now I can see I using this one. Okay, save. Now just execute this report and go here and execute this one. Okay, let me go back. Okay. Okay, we'll go here data management. And for you, you can use analysis process. Okay, if you have this theory launchpad, then you can try. Or else you can use your analysis office in our report level. Okay. See now here, what it is displaying here. What is our condition? So particular, okay. Whatever you have below 1000, that is showing in the red color. Whatever we have delivery quantity more than 2000, it is showing in the green color. You can see here. Okay. This is 7.5 something it is showing. Okay. So below 1000, it is showing red color. Okay. Refresh. Now you can see here. I don't know why it is changing. Okay. If I go up and if I go, so that is color is going. I don't know. See here. Just observe it. See here, you can see this one green color, this green color, this is green color, this is green color. If I go below, it is displaying everything is red color. I don't know. Okay. 1710, I'll keep it. Company code. So how to restrict 1710? And I'll go here. Where is the company code? I'll restrict with 1710 company code, not all. Okay, this one. So in the report level, it will display only 1710. Okay. So you have to know all these things. Okay. So now you can see only few values. Only company code 1710. So now you will understand easily. Got it? Huh? By using exceptions, we can highlight the color, different colors like yellow color. If you, we didn't define it. Okay. We didn't define critical. We define only good and bad. Okay. So here we having different alerts. Different alerts. What is the different alerts? Okay, good one, good two, good three. These are, it will display in the green color. Green color. Okay. And then critical means critical. Critical two, critical two, critical one, critical three, critical three. So here criticals and all it will display in the yellow color. But we didn't try, okay? Let me try that as well. Now here bad one, bad two. So don't by head this all these options. You can see simply telling while seeing itself. What is the use of exceptions? We can highlight the color in the report level. So how you will highlight the color? Based on the alerts, based on the alerts. Okay, for example, if it is a greater than 1000, it will display in the good color based on your condition. So you can tell like this. Don't by head all these options. You just practice this, you will get it. This in red color. Okay, like this. Very important, and I think out of 5 interviews, they will ask you 2 interviews. Okay, like let me define another way exceptions, and I will remove this one. How to remove this one? So I'll keep okay less than 1000, right? Let me add one more and greater than 1000, greater than 1000. I'll keep yellow. Okay. What is the condition? Less than 1000, it is red. Less than 1000, it will be in the critical one. Bad. You can see here alerts level. Bad, critical. Operator, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to. This is the value. Okay. And you can use variable as well.